Got him. Let's get him. Up, 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 up. Here they come, here they come. Get ready, here they come.
What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're gonna be hunting ducks on the water for the first time. Let's just get straight into this.
Alright folks, it's a goddamn war zone out here. I have not seen a duck, but I can just hear them being slaughtered over there. It's getting pretty breezy out here. Hopefully some stuff starts flying, or this is gonna be pretty sad. But besides that, you'll be back when there's some action. Come out, ducks, where are you? Got him. Let's get him. Up, 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 up. Missed that one bad. Okay, where's that woody?
Okay, fellas, something was a little bit off. You'll see that I'm searching for this duck for a very long time, and we end up not finding it because I missed the duck, he dove under, and the one that I took a second shot at, which I thought at the time was a different duck, it was the same duck, and I, again, missed it. So I missed the same duck twice, which is rough. But there's still many chances to be had, and let's just get straight back in the video. And you'll see me absolutely, how should I say this, lose my mind over how I could not find this duck.
That's where I hit that bird. I don't know where it went. I'm just puzzled right now. I knew I hit that woody. There's no way. How did I not find that thing? It's just, I can't believe it. I'm gonna go back out there. Maybe he'll float back up. I don't know if he got tangled in that mess right there, but I'm just puzzled right now how we did not find that woody. There's our duck. Thank God. I knew I hit that big heifer of a wood duck. Come here, buddy. Wait a second. No! Where the hell is this wood duck? I knew I hit it.
As you can see, day one was a bit rough, to say the least. But we're going on to day two, and we're inviting the fellas to come help me out, and hopefully we can kill some ducks. But besides that, let's just get straight back into the action.
More. Up. Call it out.
Circling back around.
Be still. They're pumping the brakes. They're coming in. Wait, they're laying downstream. Get ready. They're turning around. Here they come. Get ready. Here they come. They're coming to land. Don't, too far. What kind of duck is it? I can't. Where is it? I'm gonna get low.
Where's the duck? I see it. It's a redhead. Phew.
Hey, why your thing isn't turning on?
Shake it. Sometimes the weight gets stuck.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, obviously that didn't go to plan. We missed a lot of ducks. Some on the water, some buzzing by us in the air. Some you say were a bit far. Some you may say were completely still. But in the end, we all missed. So nothing else worked. We switched up the decoys completely, changed complete spots, but those stubborn ass birds weren't budging at all. We sat there for about another hour and a half until we packed up and threw in the towel. But sadly, we did not get any birds, and this is the end of the hunt. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to see our last fishing trip video down here, and of course if you guys want to see our last squirrel hunt video down here. But besides that, I'll see y'all next video. See ya!